Hello friends, please welcome back. Today let us introduce you our new blender. We call it 2-in-1 blender and mill. Here this goes up to 6 speed. This side if you will see, plus this has 500 watts. Please look here. As we told you, this comes with the mill. Here is the mill, which is the dry mill. You can grind your favorite nuts and coffee beans, etc. Here is the full picture if you will see. Let's do the unboxing and see. This is the jar. Mill, dry mill. Jar cover. Manual. And the blender, which if you will see, this have the stainless steel decoration. Comes with a guarantee card. Now if you will see, the jar is food grade material. See, this comes with the stainless steel decoration, and this jar is food grade material. This is the mill, the dry mill. Let's fix and see. Just have the safety here. Let us check this side. Yeah, the safety lock here. Now see here, this off, on, and the speed. Let's see. 2 and 3. This button is for the speed. Like this, if you press, you can just go for speed 4, speed 5, speed 6. Off. If you press the button back up, it will goes to 1, 2, 3. And same goes for the pulse. Even though have the 2 pulse. 2 pulse speed. Here it is. Excellent stainless steel decoration. Nice food grade jar. Both. Please have a look. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.